Hey y'all, just want y'all to know I'm the kitchen gadget queen. I just bought this meat grinder. Very nice on the eyes and very strong, very durable. These are the items that come with it. And trust me, I don't know what either of them are for. But like I said, I'm a shopaholic, so I just buy stuff. and and you can see that. And you can just see I'm a shopaholic and I just buy stuff. But this works well. Haven't grinded a lot of meat, but the meat that I did grind it was good. It was good.